Number 1. 1979 GMC 1500 Modified, $3,000, Henderson, Nevada. This 1979 GMC 1500 from the iconic square body era has been extensively customized and shows fewer than 7,000 miles on its performance build. It is powered by a rebuilt 350 cubic inch V8 board .030 over, featuring a 4-bolt main block, steel crankshaft, aftermarket cylinder heads, roller rockers, and a polished 6Q aluminum oil pan. A Wind 144 supercharger, Edelbrock carburetor, upgraded ignition system, and dual Flowmaster exhaust deliver strong performance and an aggressive exhaust note. The automatic transmission has been rebuilt and fitted with a shift kit, paired with a 12-bolt rear axle running 3.73 gears for improved drivability. Additional upgrades include custom paint, Dakota digital instrumentation, leather 60/40 seats sourced from a later General Motors truck, a step-side bed conversion, and extensive chrome accents throughout. Priced at $3,000 in Henderson, Nevada, this truck offers substantial performance enhancements and attractive entry point for buyers seeking a distinctive square body street machine. Number 2. 1975 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne Stepside, $10,000, Sacramento, California. This 1975 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission. It is described as rust-free, running well, and shows approximately 150,000 miles. The Cheyenne trim adds comfort and upgraded styling, while the step-side bed enhances collector appeal. At $10,000 in Sacramento, California, it is a solid classic driver with room for cosmetic refinement. Number 3. 1967 Chevrolet C20 Pickup, $10,000, Costa Mesa, California. The 1967 Chevrolet C20 represents the debut year of Chevrolet's action line body style, introducing a cleaner and more modern design compared to earlier generations. This 3/4-ton pickup is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The odometer is currently inoperative. However, the truck is reported to have 54,000 miles. Finished in gray and offered with a clean title in Costa Mesa, California. This C20 delivers classic late 1960s styling combined with heavy-duty capability. The 1967 model year is especially desirable among collectors due to its 1-year-only trim details and straightforward mechanical design. Priced at $10,000, it presents a solid opportunity to enter the classic Chevrolet truck market with a first-year action line example. Number 4. 1965 International D1300 Pickup, $8,300, Warren, Wisconsin. The 1965 International D1300 is equipped with a 304 cubic inch V8 and 4-speed manual transmission, showing 38,945 miles. It was stored indoors for more than 25 years and retains a near-mint interior. Recent brake and clutch service have been completed, leaving only minor finishing details. At $8,300 in Warren, Wisconsin, it stands as a rare and solid classic truck. Number 5. 1988 Dodge Dakota, $850, Claremont, Minnesota. This 1988 Dodge Dakota represents one of the early mid-size pickup trucks introduced by an American automaker. It is powered by a 4.9 LV6 engine, paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. Showing approximately 170,000 miles, the truck runs and drives, though it currently has an idle issue. Recent improvements include a Holley carburetor, new windshield, brake work, and documented maintenance records covering roughly 100,000 miles. Priced at $850 in Claremont, Minnesota, this Dakota presents an affordable project or practical utility truck with documented service history and solid potential. Number 6. Crimson Presence carries this 1985 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab long bed, priced at $8,499, and located in Molino, Florida. The red exterior contrasts sharply with a blue interior, giving this truck a period-correct but uncommon color combination. Equipped with an automatic transmission, it runs and drives, presenting as a usable full-size pickup rather than a stalled project. Clean title status supports straightforward ownership. Chevrolet's mid-1980s half-ton trucks earn a reputation for durability and simple mechanical design that still resonates with classic truck enthusiasts today. Number 7. Steel confidence defines this 1968 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab short bed, priced at $7,000 and located in Odessa, Texas. Finished in gray with a burgundy interior, this shortened bed pickup pairs a 350 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission and presents as a running classic. Recent updates include new tires on 15 by 10 aluminum wheels, a new battery, a new carburetor, a chrome power brake booster, fresh rear coil springs, and renewed brake components. Late 60s Chevrolet trucks are remembered for clean lines and honest work ethic heritage. Number 8. Steadfast utility shapes this 1975 Chevrolet Custom Deluxe single cab, offered at $4,000. Finished in white, it runs an automatic transmission paired with a 350 crate engine that starts easily and pulls confidently. The truck completed a 3-hour Missouri to Arkansas drive without trouble, reinforcing its road manners. Title is in hand, transmission performs well, and overall presentation remains honest. Located in Tonatown, Arkansas, with viewing arranged nearby. This era marked Chevrolet's shift toward more comfortable, dependable work trucks during the mid-1970s production years. Number 9. Workhorse character anchors this 1982 Ford F150 Custom, offered at $5,500 and located in Spring, Texas. Finished in red, this pickup is powered by a dependable inline-6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, presenting a straightforward, usable classic configuration. With approximately 110,000 miles shown, it has served as a daily driver and is described as running strong with no mechanical issues. The truck does lack air conditioning and shows rust consistent with age. Early 1980s F-Series models are remembered for durability and simple, honest truck engineering. Number 10. Rugged purpose defines this 1973 Chevrolet 2500 regular cab long bed, priced at $1,500. Finished in white with a black interior, it carries an automatic transmission, a 350 engine, a 350 transmission, a 14-bolt rear axle, a Dana 44 front axle, and a 205 transfer case. The truck is not currently running and shows rust at the corners with title in hand. Located in Elia, Oregon, this generation helps cement Chevrolet's reputation for durable, work-focused pickups. Number 11. Commanding presence meets rugged capability in this 1979 GMC 2500 K20, listed at $7,500 in Minden, Nevada. Powered by a 454 V8 and paired with an automatic transmission, it features massive 40-inch Mickey Thompson tires and fully functional four-wheel drive. The truck runs strong, though the exhaust is cut off and it won't pass smog. Sold as is. Its long bed and solid frame make it perfect for hauling or off-road adventures, while the white exterior and gray interior maintain a classic utilitarian look. A true workhorse for enthusiasts seeking raw power and style. Number 12. Raw and rugged. This 1979 Ford F150 FX2 pickup commands attention at $7,500 in Odessa, Texas. Powered by a 300 cubic inch inline-6 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, it's built for hands-on driving. The classic black exterior wears its miles with pride, reflecting 258,000 adventures on the road. Simple, durable, and ready to roll, this truck embodies late 70s Ford workhorse spirit. Its straightforward mechanics and robust drivetrain make it a prime candidate for restoration or a dependable daily driver for those who appreciate true vintage grit. Number 13. Unassuming at first glance, this 1973 Ford GT Coupe in Havelock, North Carolina, is a hands-on build priced at $4,000. Finished in black with a blue interior, it carries an automatic transmission and a 351 Cleveland already fitted, needing timing and tuning to move forward. Many parts have been replaced, and nearly everything removed from the car is included with the sale. It is not finished and still requires commitment, but the foundation is there for someone wanting to complete a classic coupe and shape it into a reliable driver with character. Number 14. Power hums through this 1972 Chevrolet 1500 Cheyenne at $4,950 in Washington, Indiana. This long bed truck features a rebuilt 350 small block V8 paired with an automatic transmission, delivering classic Chevy performance with minimal fuss. Its green exterior and blue interior are mostly original, complemented by mag rims that add subtle flair. The body and frame are solid for its age, making it a prime candidate for restoration or a father and son project. Drivable, dependable, and brimming with vintage charm, it's a true early 70s Chevy gem. Number 15. Weathered yet purposeful. This 1984 Ford F250 regular cab long bed, listed at $800 in Lexington, Indiana, reflects the straightforward work ethic of Ford's heavy-duty pickups. Finished in red with a brown interior, it features a manual 4-speed transmission paired with a 300 cubic inch inline-six. Recent updates include a new clutch and fuel tank, and it runs, though further fuel system attention is needed before regular driving. The F250 earned a reputation for durability and simple mechanical design across farms, job sites, and rural highways.